You're watching Minnesota's most watched station. This is WCCO 4 News.
And with that stay-at-home order in place, people across the state are looking for creative ways to try to stay busy. John Lauritsen met some people whose skillful pastimes have turned into viral videos.
Right now, trick shots are a way for a lot of people to pass the time, to keep from going stir crazy. A lot of them involve ping pong balls, basketballs, and even golf balls. So we thought we'd try one of our own. While we let that play out, we caught up with Nathan Ziegler, a principal at Hope Academy in Minneapolis.
Not doing anything else. You gotta stay home, so might as well do some of this.
He started a YouTube series called Social Distancing from Mr. Z. There are science experiments and bad dad jokes, but also trick shots.
My son said, "Hey, Dad, if you want me to do some trick shots for your show, you're gonna need to buy me some wood."
They then built an obstacle course for a basketball. Its journey started on the rooftop and ended with nothing but net.
Yes!
The golf shot took a little longer to make. Any idea how many takes it took?
He told me it was well into the hundreds.
I've just been seeing videos online of other people doing them, so I'm like, might as well pass the time by trying my own.
Carter Bloomquist is a senior at Lakeville South, but instead of missing out, he's fitting in online with his videos. Golf season is still on in his basement.
A few of them were actually first or second tries, but the other ones took a while.
As far as our trick shot goes, it went off the backboard, off the water tower, caromed off the wind turbine, off photographer Joe Berglove's head, down a slide, and into an empty disinfectant wipe container. Nothing to it, really. Keep the trick shots coming, Minnesota. In Maple Grove, John Lauritsen, WCCO 4 News.
Yeah, nothing to it. John says that it really did take him just 2 tries to get that water tower trick shot, Frank.
Yeah, Chris, that was not 2 tries. And by the way, everyone should note that when that thing hit Berglove in the head, it didn't faze him at all.
No, he's got a head of steel, that Joe does. I'll tell you what, today...